Hi guys, it's Nick. This gentleman is a regular patient of mine. He travels some way to come and see me. He's got a very, very narrow ear canal, and he's a big fan of me using the Jobson horn. And I always say to him, if I think it's appropriate, I can get away with using a Jobson horn, of course I will do. This is looking a little bit soft at the moment, and he has got a very, very narrow ear canal, and I am having to pull quite hard on his ear to keep his ear canal open. And I think that's one of the reasons why he has wax issues, is because of the narrowness of his ear canal. This is looking quite soft, which isn't good for me, because it does mean that you can be there some time. But this is coming out quite nicely. Now, there's my issue. I can see right now, you can see there's a massive clump of wax deep down at the back of his ear canal. So I've warned the patient that this might be unsafe for me to proceed any further with the Jobson horn. And I've told him I'm just going to go as far as I can safely, and then we'll see what happens. So you'll notice I've gone down the side, not pushed on the wax, because I don't want it being pushed any further backwards. And it's just all starting to come out nice now, and that's another big clump, but we've still got that big lump at the back. It's safe for me to go for this bit of wax at the front, which I'm happy to do. So I'll take a couple of Nick's Brave pills. We put the Jobson horn down the side without touching that wax, so we don't push it down any further. And then I start pulling on the wax. And the thing that I've noticed is that massive lump behind, yeehaw, is coming forward. The whole thing is all connected. I can't tell you how pleased I was when I saw that move. So just slowly, because we don't want it snapping off, I've just brought the whole thing forward, and kaboom, it's all come out all in one big massive lump, which is absolutely superb. Now you'll notice I'm just going to refocus the camera, because I'm a little bit suspicious of a couple of little white dots I can see down there in the ear canal. And I just want to make sure that that's not a fungal infection that he's got that's caused the wax build-up. But no, what that is, that's just a tiny little bit of skin, so that's not otomycosis. That's just where the skin has pulled slightly as I've removed the wax, so that's all good news. I'm just going to tidy this up at the front, but there's no way I can get the camera in just to tidy that little bit up at the front, so there won't be any video of that. But I can tell you, the patient and myself, we were dead chuffed. So it's another great day at Nick Chitty Hearing Care, and I'll see you soon, guys.